Everyone, this is KCSE 2018, Section B, Question 19, which is rates and work. It says pipe A and pipe B can fill an empty tank in 20 hours and 7.5 hours respectively, which is 20 hours for pipe A, 7.5 hours for pipe B. A third, pipe C, can empty the full tank in 10 hours. The third pipe, which is pipe C, can empty the full tank in 10 hours. The tank is initially empty. It is empty, and pipe A and B are both opened at 8 a.m. for 2.5 hours. So, pipe A and pipe B were opened at 8 a.m. for 2.5 hours, a period of 2.5 hours. Then the question says calculate the fraction of the water in the tank after 2.5 hours. Calculate the fraction of the water in the tank after 2.5 hours. This is a very easy question. So in 1 hour, pipe A can fill how much? Pipe A can fill 20 hours, an empty tank in 20 hours. So let's say that full, it is 1, which is equals to 20 hours. What about in 1 hour? We cross multiply, then 1 times 1, which is this 1 hours over 20 hours. Hours goes with hours. The rate will be 1 over 20, which is in 1 hour, this one. So what about in 7.5 hours, which is B? B in 7.5 hours will be 7.5 hours, which is 1. What about in 1 hour? So you will see that even that one will come to 7.5. So their total in 1 hour, it will be, because the question says both were open. So in 1 hour, the fraction of the tank that will be filled, it will be A plus B, because they open both of them. So which is 1 over 20 plus 1 over 7.5, which is equals to, you will calculate, put it into your calculator, or first of all find the LCM of this one, then you add the two. 1 over 20 plus 1 over 7.5, it will give you 11 over 60. This is the fraction of tank that will be filled in 1 hour. What about in 2.5 hours? 2.5 hours. So we will take this, we multiply 2.5 hours, which is 11 over 60 multiplied by 5 over 2. This is 2 times 2, it is 4, plus 1, it is 5 over 2. Yeah, this one. So by 5 here, 1, by 5 here, 1, we remain with 1. So it is 12. That will give us 11 over 24. The fraction that will be filled, it will be 11 over 24 in 2.5 hours. And that is it. We have answered. Calculate the fraction of the water in the tank after 2.5 hours. So this is the fraction that will be filled to 11 over 20. Question B, which says after the 2.5 hours, pipe C is opened and the 3 pipes run for 6 hours. What fractions of the tank is still empty at the end of the 6 hours. So the fraction required is here. The fraction required is empty. That will be empty in 6 hours. So our rate of A in 1 hour is 1 over 20. This one. Of B is 1 over 7.5. So of C it will be can empty the full tank in 10 hours. So like we did here, so we will find 1 over 10. It will empty the fraction of 1 over 10 in 1 hour. So after 2.5 hours, pipe C is open. The 3 pipes run for 6 hours. What fractions of the tank is still empty at the end of the 6 hours? So when we open this in 2.5 hours, we found it will fill 11 over 24 of the tank. So this one in 1 hour, C in 1 hour it will remove water of. Find the fraction of water in 1 hour of both 3 pipes. So which is 1 over 20 plus 1 over 7.5. Then we minus because C removes water from the tank, which is 1 over 10. So when we calculate this, you can put into your calculator. We will find that it will 1 over 12. So it will be 1 over 12 in 1 hour. So what about in 6 hours? 3 pipes run for 6 hours. Around 6 hours. So 1 over 12 times 6. It will give 6 over 12, which is by year 1 by year 2. So in 6 hours, it will fill a half of the tank. Half of the tank. So what fraction? After the 2.5 hours, pipe C is opened and the 3 pipes run for 6 hours. What fraction of the tank is still empty at the end of the 6 hours? So at the end of 6 hours, it will be 12. Then we had this one because the tank was filled 2.5 hours by pipe A and pipe B. So it will be 11 over 24 plus a half, which will give us, don't use that, but use secos. So it will give us 11. So 11 over 24 plus a half, it will give, our LCM is 24. 24 goes to 24 once. 1 times 11, it will be 11 plus 2 goes here, 12. 11 plus 12. So 11 plus 12, it will be 23 over 24. This is the fraction that will be filled in after 6 hours. So this is the fraction. So when you want to find the empty part, so the tank is like this. Yeah, don't mind my drawing. So this is the tank. After 6 hours, it will be somewhere here. So this is the part which is filled. What about this part? This part is what fraction of the tank is still empty at the end of the 6 hours. So this fraction is what we are looking for. So we will take this one let's say full, it will be 1 minus this one, which is 23 over 24. Or you will say, you will take this one, which is the denominator. You put like this, 24 over 24 minus 23 over 24. You will find that it will be, the LCM is 24, so 24 goes to 24 once, so it will be 24 minus 23 over 24, and the remaining part will be 1 over 24. This is the remaining fraction. So part C says pipe A is closed after 6 hours. Pipe A is closed after 6 hours in B, above in B, and pipe B and C continue to run. Find the time the tank will be fully filled. So here we find the time. So the fraction we have filled, the fraction that's empty, it will be 1 over 24. This is the fraction empty. Empty is 1 over 24. So they say find the time the tank will be fully filled. 1 over 24. So the pipe A is closed. So the remaining pipes, it will be B and C. So the rate will be, so rate of B is in 1 hour is this one, which is 1 over 7.5. C, remember, it removes water. It empties the tank, which is minus its rate of C, this one. So 1 over 10. So you will find it will be, their rate will be, LCM of 7.5 and 10 is 30. So 7.5 goes here 4 times. So 4 times 1, it will be 4, minus 10 goes here 3 times. 3 times 1, it will be 3. So their rate will be 4 minus 1, it will be 1 over 30. This will be the rate in 1 hour. They will fill 1 over 30 in 1 hour. So what about if 1 over 30 is in 1 hour? What about the remaining? The remaining one is 1 over 20. So we could multiply. So 1 over 24 times 1 divided by 1 over 30. To remove this one, you can write it like this: 1 over 24 times 1, then we multiply by, so changing this sign, a division sign, to a multiplication, when it is a fraction, you will reciprocate it. So which means 30 will go upside, then 1 downward. So it will be 30 over 24. So the time will be 1 hour. So we will divide with your calculator. So when you divide with your calculator, you divide this, you will get 1.25 hours. This will be answer, or you will leave it as 1 hour, then 0.25 multiplied by 60, you will find it is 15, and that will be minutes. So it will be 1 hour 15 minutes. So that is it, and that we have answered our question. That is 10 marks. So the first one is 11 over 24, and the second one is 1 over 24. This is the empty. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if there is any question you want to ask, so ask on the comment section. And remember to subscribe to our channel and like the video so that we can reach more people. Thank you.